A warm greetings to everyone. Agriculture Makers team welcomes you to this video and I'm very much happy to see you all again. And in this video, we are going to see three most important contents and they are Kisan Credit Card, Krishi Vigyan Kendra and Kisan Call Center. And come on, let's get into the video. In first, we are going to see the Kisan Credit Card, that is KCC. The Kisan Credit Card scheme was announced in the budget speech of 1998-99 to fulfill the financial requirements of the farmers at various stages of farming through institutional credit. And institutional credit refers to the availability of credit facility from recognized institutions such as banks. And the model scheme was prepared by the National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, that is our NABARD, on the recommendation of V. Gupta Committee. And yes, your Kisan Credit Card scheme was launched in August of 1998 under the recommendation of V. Gupta Committee. And this KCC scheme is being implemented by all the cooperative banks, regional rural banks and public sector banks throughout the country, and the scheme was further extended for the investment credit requirement of farmers vice the allied and non-farm activities in the year 2004. Remember, in the year 1998 the scheme is for the farming community, but in 2004 it is extended to the allied sector and the non-farming activities too. Coming to the next thing, it is the Krishi Vigyan Kendra. Yes, KVK or Agriculture Extension Centers created by the Indian Council for Agriculture Research, that is ICAR, and its affiliated institution at district level to provide various types of farm support to the agricultural sector. And the first KVK was established during 1974 at Pondicherry, and based on the recommendation of the Education Commission between 1964 to 66, discussion by the Planning Commission and Interministerial Committee, and further recommendation by the committee headed by Dr. Mohan Singh Mehta, appointed by ICAR in 1973, they recommended the idea of establishment of Farm Science Center, which is Krishi Vigyan Kendra. And as of May 2021, there were approximately 722 KVKs throughout our country. Yes, our KVK is launched in the year 1974 in Pondicherry under the recommendation of Dr. Mohan Singh Mehta Committee appointed by ICAR, and as of May 2021 there were approximately 722 KVKs throughout India. Coming to the final thing, it is the Kisan Call Center. In order to harness the potential of Indian communication technology in agriculture, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare launched the scheme Kisan Call Center on 21st of January 2004, and the main aim of the scheme is to answer the farmers' queries on a telephone call in their own language. Remember, in their own language. And these call centers are working in 21 different locations in the country, covering all the states and union territories of India, and a countrywide common 11-digit toll-free number, that is 1800-180-1551, has been allocated for this Kisan call center, and you can easily remember it. And this number is accessible through mobile phones, landlines of all telecom networks including the private service providers, and replies to the farmer queries are given in 22 local languages. And these call center services are available from 6 a.m. in the morning to 10 p.m. in the night on all 7 days of the week at each KCC location. And the Kisan call center agents, known as farm tele advisors, who are graduates or above, maybe they are PG graduates or doctorate in agriculture or allied sectors, and possess excellent communication skills in the respective local languages. It's all about the things. We can have a short recap. Your Kisan credit card is launched in the year 1998 under the recommendation of Gupta Committee, and this has been extended to the allied and non-farm sectors in the year 2004. Coming to your KVK, it is launched in 1974 at Pondicherry under the recommendation of Dr. Mohan Singh Mehta, and presently now there are 722 KVKs throughout India. Coming to the Kisan call center, it is launched in 2004 and it is working in 21 different locations of India, and the toll free number is 1800 180 1551, and the reply to the farmer queries are given in 22 local languages, and the service is between 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. and the Kisan call center advisors or graduate or postgraduated or doctorate in agriculture and allied sectors. And it's all about this video, and these three things are very much important in your exam point of view, and I hope the video will be very much useful to you, and thank you for all your supports, and do subscribe our channel for the next earliest updates by tapping on the bell icon. Thank you and see you all again.